Hi, I'm Josh. I'm rebuilding Jambo Spaces membership plans website using Bareconnect. Bareconnect is a platform that helps you supercharge your business. You can build a digital portfolio, you can set bookings and payments online. So you can check out bareconnect.com. So we just get started quickly. I'm trying to do this under 5 minutes. So first I'm going to add in the sections I'll be using. The first, second, we will add the section as a gallery, and then we'll add products. So I'll add in all those sections, then I'll fill in the content so we can be sure that we do everything on time. So to add a section, just click add section, add in the gallery, and the product section that we'll be using. So that will be featured products. I've already added some bags just as an example, so you have that showing over here. So I'm going to set it up. So click on the section, you'll be able to edit it, title, and yeah. So let me just fill up the contents really quickly. This is a video, so we change the media type to video, upload, and we have this, change the size, so I'll do the same for all the other sections and just awesome. So I've done the filling, so straight the pictures, so comparing to the Jambo Spaces website, which was originally built in Canva, have something pretty similar, right? It's a very beautiful website. So we will save that, and the best part about using Bareconnect is it's responsive, automatic, like so desktop, and when you switch to mobile, everything is done for you automatically. So if you should visit the website, I can't even find a difference right now. If you should open this using the mobile view, see how just fluid and how nice it is. And so let me show you the payments that we have available in the platform. So we have Bareconnect Pay, which is a payment that we just recently launched, and it's built on top of Paystack. What we are doing is trying to help business sell like the same day that they get their online store on Bareconnect, and they can just submit their personal details, and then we once we get it verified, you'll be able to start accepting payment the same day. You can use Paystack, manual payment, Rave, Stripe, Yoko for my South Africans, and then crypto.com. And to set up delivery, we have custom delivery, pickups with DHL sandbox. And so pickup for Jambo Spaces, for example, because we want you to pick up just enter an example equation is Legon, right? So once I do that, the person will be able to pick up the item, say it's ready in 4 hours. So I'm just going to go to the store and showcase how you can buy an item. So let's add an item, right? I want to buy this bag, buy now, add to the cart. Right, let's check out. Just enter information quickly, continue to shipping. So we have delivery pickup. I want to do the pickup, continue to payments. You have Paystack. Once you click on pay now, it takes you to the Paystack page, right? For you to do the payment. Right, so that's just how it is. And also we have the currency converter, which is enabled by default, so the user or the visitor can just change it to whatever currency, and the conversion is done automatically. So that's how easy it is to use Bareconnect. And we have our Jambo replica right now here. If you should visit this link, demostore.bareconnect.com, you should be able to see this Jambo link on your mobile phone or your laptop. Yeah, so that's Bareconnect. So you can get started, and if you want to build your online store, if you want to build your portfolio, you want to sell your services, just use Bareconnect. It's easy, simple, and fast. You can grow your audience. Thank you. Bye bye.